What's up YouTube? It's your boy Luke Von Duke, the Bachelor King. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. Let's get into it. Alright, today we're showing you the Letscom Bluetooth wraparound earbuds. They are basically like I would say a generic version of the Dr. Dre Beats by Dre wraparound earbuds. Overall, the quality of them, pretty damn good. It's a hard plastic. This right here is the pause play button. This is where you charge it right here, and it's a standard micro USB plug. And up here is the volume rockers. They wrap around your ears. They're pretty comfortable. They don't fall out of your ears. The sound quality is pretty good. I like to open up Spotify because I usually listen to podcasts inside Spotify. And I go into the options settings menu, and I like to drop the low end down and turn the. They tend to be a little bit mid-rangey, but for $20, I mean, you can EQ them, turn the mid-range down. Maybe if you like better bass, more bass, turn the bass up, more highs, turn the highs up. You know how to do that. So overall, after a year, they still hold a full charge. I usually charge them at work, and it takes about an hour. This starts off as a little red dot. Somewhere in here, there's a little red dot here, and then once they're fully charged, it turns blue. Not bad for $20, and here we are a year later. They still work fine, and another cool thing about it is that they hold the charge. I usually, I work early mornings, so I turn them on about 5 a.m., and I'd say around 2:45 after heavy use, meaning I'm listening to podcasts and music all day long on them. That's when you get the power low. There's a little notification voice that pops up that lets you know that. So that should be a good signal to go ahead and start charging them again. But overall, for the price of $20, I mean, these are really good Bluetooth earbuds. They have not failed me yet. Go ahead and check them out. Click the link below to the Amazon store. All right, everybody, thank you for tuning in to another edition of The Bachelor King. Be sure to subscribe and like and follow me on Instagram. Great product for $20. Here we are a year later, and they still sound great. Peace.